no problem.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
All right. And there's a lot of... Maybe I'll get you to point that way.
That's
it. That's better.
Just ask me the questions and tell me what...
Yeah. So, just wondering, can you just describe the scale of the WIM ABC?
I mean, that what is in press release basically Phil covers probably in as many details as we can cover at this moment the project. The Playout Center is a joint venture of WIM TV and ABC. It will be from the beginning Playout Center, which will cover 120 channels with potential to grow to up to 300 channels. So infrastructure will be prepared for upgrades to 300 channels.
And will that, I don't know if you can say, but will that give them the capacity to take on other broadcasters?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. That can give them capacity not just of taking other broadcasters, but probably even helping various organizations, broadcast organizations, in hosting additional channels from them. Very often what happens is that there are very quick requirements of adding channels for both pay TV and free-to-airs, and the infrastructures are not ready for it.
Yes,
Correct? Because there's no space in the building. It's not necessarily, it's not just issue of purchasing equipment. So those people are ready for that additional sort of potential business for them, which also will be tremendous sort of value proposition for another broadcasters. That's the sort of idea behind.
Okay. And it'll be completed by 2010?
It will be completed probably in H1 of 2010.
Right.
With such a large project, one, I think, element which is extremely critical is migration of channels from existing facilities to the new facilities. And with that migration, there's very sort of complex element of workflow management, new processes management, and so on. That's why it is difficult for us today to estimate how long that process will take. I would imagine from technology point of view, the Playout Center should be available probably in Q2 of 2010. From point of view of being really fully operational, in other words, migration completed, sometimes in 2010. But that is also very much dependent how fast both WIM and ABC want to drive that change.
Sure.
So it's not dependent really, from other supplier.
And Grass Valley will are the project managers?
Yeah, we are the prime vendor, of course. We are managing the total project. We are now in the last stages of finalization of design. And from the design phase, we will move to the phase of building. And that build will take probably around 6 months.
And where will it be located?
It is in Sydney, somewhere in one of those suburbs which are on the west side of Sydney, in the direction sort of towards Canberra, Wollongong.
Okay.
On that, but I don't know Sydney well enough to tell you the name of the suburb.
You're from Melbourne, aren't you?
I'm from Melbourne, exactly right. So that's the reason I don't sort of recall the name of the suburb.
Yeah. No, that's all right. Okay. All right. Okay, Andrew. Will it be necessary to source technology from other vendors? Or?
Yes, there is some. Obviously, there are some technologies which we do not have in our product portfolio, but it is predominantly Grass Valley built. And we are at this stage actually, we are also using IBC for that, of still looking to various technology partners which are suitable for certain elements of that project. And we have a number of guys here actually which are with specific brief of doing those sort of technology findings, and then soon after that we'll try to finalize contracts with those suppliers.
Okay.
So yes, absolutely there will be.
All right.
But it's absolutely predominantly Grass Valley place.
Okay.
So Grass Valley routers, Grass Valley master controls, Grass Valley K2 servers, a lot of new technologies, 3G routers, over 60 Maestro presentation switches with all the latest features, which we actually for the first time demonstrating here at IBC. So very, very advanced Playout from that point of view. Sort of top of the notch in the moment when the design is going to be finalized.
Okay.
What is available on the market. Yeah.
Excellent. All right. Thank you.
Okay, no worries.